guys, and welcome to the unboxing of something we just got. This is the Gazelle S Cybex. We went for this brand because we thought it was the most ideal. Now these are the car seats we have for the triplet, so this is obviously just one. And I wanted a car seat that would, a pram that would work for multiple, so two. And we do have a vintage silver cross pram. So by the way guys, the kids, the family, they're all here. So if you hear babies screaming, mommy going off at them, yeah, it's because they are literally here in the living room. So yeah, I went for the Soho Grey, Mead Grey one, obviously Cybex. So let's not waste your time. I have already sort of cut the tape and I was like, no, I might as well just show you guys how it comes. So here you go. Waist. So obviously this is one seat. It comes with a basket as well. And I have an extra chair as well. That's another thing there. Okay, this is the actual frame, I'm guessing. I'll put that here for now. You get a carton with the wheels. The wheels are quite nice. You know, it's crazy the cost of all these things. I just wonder how, you know, I don't think it's premium enough. Like, I would have thought like tires, like bicycle tires that you bought. These are not, okay, well, it's not really raw. Well, I don't know. It looks good though, but yeah, anyway, so wheels, two wheels in that carton. I'm guessing there should be four wheels, right? So anyway, we get two wheels there. And in another box here, we got instruction manuals here. How does this work? This carton is unnecessarily weird. Pop it back this way. In here we get the rain cover, probably. I'll just put that on the floor. Set this here. We get some other stuff. This is the basket. Okay, the big wheels. Two big wheels. One, two. And it looks like that's everything. Okay, so that's empty. That's empty. I'm surprised it just feels like it doesn't come with a lot. Just closing that back so I put it in the box. The box obviously is empty. That's obviously empty. And then that as well. So I'll put this aside now and sort of open up, see if I can quickly set up the item for everyone to see. So the big wheels, I have a bad habit. I tend not to read instruction manuals. Obviously the smaller wheels will be for the front, because that's what makes sense. I'll keep this aside for now. So yeah, take this plastic off. Drop that there. It's quite a sleek pram actually. So looking at this, I would say the front, this should be the front here. So I'll put the small wheel in here. I think there's a little lever there. Okay, makes sense. And that clips in there, so there you go. And that's it. Okay, that's the brake. Okay, so it's locked in already. Does it matter which wheel I use? Nope, so I just stick that in as well. That's done. And then this one, again, it doesn't matter which side. There goes my baby girl, one of the three triplets. And this fits in like, so I down a little, or you can just literally force it in. Unless there's different sizes, which I'll find out in. Okay, there you go. Yes. Like so. That's done. So that's baby girl Tiara. I mean, I know. This is what happens when you have triplets. You tend to get the names all muddled up sometimes. You know, yeah, that was Anu. She's stopped now. She loves attention. She clearly wants to be on camera right now. Yeah. So anyway, that's the wheels done. In terms of how this opens up, how will this open up? Let me try my best not to read the manual. It should just open up, no? Okay, there's a thing here holding it in place. You just need to let that out, and voila! This is the pram. And the beauty is everything is inbuilt. So like even if I want to put the extra seats and everything, which I probably will, so I'll move this all the way up. Got three dots. I really like this color because I think it goes nicely with the what's it called now? I think it goes nicely with the car seats. So there's little clips here where you can put the baskets on the back. Like that's another thing with this one that's pretty cool. You have enough room for lots of storage. So if you're going shopping or whatever. So that's the pram. Let's see, what else can I do? So there goes another baby. This is the basket. I'll leave that for now. Plastic, so much plastic. So this away. This is one of the baby seats. So I see slidey stuff here. So I'm guessing this. Obviously, I want my baby's facing me. So I guess this slides in like so. Guys, this is my first time and it's quite straightforward, the whole procedure. What's this one? Okay, this is a food like this. So I'm guessing that goes on the top somewhere there. I will figure this out later, but yeah, so that's what this is for. And this is probably a rain cover. So yeah, now the car seat, I was hoping you would just click on, but clearly I need to get adapters. So kind of disappointing. So I need to get adapters for the car seat to fit on this. But yeah, this is for the basket. No, this goes here. So this is for the babies as well on here. So again, you only use this from 6 months. So I need to go get the adapters. This is where research comes in, guys. This is where you should do research. But yeah, but I have to go get adapters. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, and yeah, this is the Gazelle S Cybex Pram. Yeah, it's been a pleasure. Take care, guys, and talk soon. Bye bye.